Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage. Here we go to settings, storage on Indeed app. Here we go to settings here. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we go to this page of Indeed job search and we click here. In this page of app info we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we will enter the storage. Then we click on on Wi-Fi to turn off, and here we'll turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.